fly. Tim brought to you today by Geico, the third largest private passenger auto insurer in the United States. Geico insures more than 13 million vehicles and provides 24-hour service 7 days a week, 365 days a year. One 15-minute call to Geico really could save you 15% or more on your auto insurance. Call today, or for a fast quote, go online to geico.com. Way too much fun up there. If I had to guess, I would